To take a screenshot using Snip and Sketch in Windows 10 Home, click or tap Start menu icon and then scroll down, find Snip and Sketch and then click or tap Snip and Sketch, select New or press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to snip what's on your screen without starting Snip and Sketch. Okay, select New and then you can take a screenshot using freeform, Windows Snip, full screen snip, or rectangular snip, for example. Okay. Or you can also use freeform snip or other method option. And then to save, select save icon, or if you want to edit, you can edit in here. If finished, you can select save icon to save, and then you can enter your screenshot name, tap save, or you can also select location to save your screenshot. Okay, select save to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.